Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it after you smash that like button and subscribe. And if you want, you guys could even leave comments, ask questions about what you'd like to see in the future. Perhaps you have a question about this particular episode. So I'm going to share with you in this video my current crypto portfolio. We're not going to get into specifically how much the Moose has. Just imagine a pile of money that's bigger than the room you're in. That's what the Moose has. What we're going to get into is the allocation in terms of percentages. So which tokens I have, how much of each. We're going to go through that and more. So if you guys haven't already, definitely subscribe. Check out the late game crypto interview. We talk about Meld, Kopi, Book, Giro, USDC. That video has gotten a lot of attention. I've been getting a lot of beautiful comments. It's an hour and a half, so if you guys want to get a cup of coffee, pick up some Tim's. We're not sponsored by Tim Hortons yet, but we will be, right? The number one Canadian crypto channel in the world. Like, it's bound to happen, right? So let's dive right into it. Token price. So Bitcoin is at, I believe, 42,000 still. I do have my phone. I just want to make sure that I blur out enough stuff here as I get organized. So if we go to the price, okay, Bitcoin, $42,155. ETH, 2,264. Solana almost at $100, $97 roughly, and ADA at 49 cents, just so you know. So you guys can write this down. I'm not going to get into the specific dollar amounts, but if you guys want to know what I'm into, I'm revealing it right now for you all. So if you take a look at the portfolio, my number one allocation is cornucopias. And in fact, if I go to view all, I'm not going to share this, but I am 60% Kopi, 59.72%. So again, 60% Kopi. I am 20% ADA. I am 7.75% Meld. So again, I'm 60% Kopi if you guys want to take notes. 20% ADA, 8% Meld. I am 3% Bitcoin, 2% ETH, 2% Iagon. I am 1.5% Cosmos, and USDC I have like 1.4%. So who cares, right? The Moose got to see some gains. So if you take a look here, you can see the token price, how they're fluctuating. So Kopi is my number one position. Okay, again, around 60%. Technically, I have other wallets, so I'm a bit higher. It fluctuates. Kopi's gone down a lot since the high. Cardano, 20%-ish. Meld, about 8%. Bitcoin, roughly 3%, let's call it. And the rest are about 1 to 2%. So that's how I'm allocating my funds. Main reason being for cornucopias is I want to get in on something that I can really transform my portfolio, right? So I'm at the point where, you know, I do have a lot more into crypto than I ever had, but I really want to see gains, and my risk tolerance is crazy, right? The Moose is loose. I would like to see a bull run, hopefully, and we can begin to allocate differently. I'm going to be moving more things into, you know, other assets. So if you take a look here, we're 74 days away from the Bitcoin halving. So with the Bitcoin halving, the block rewards are going to be different. So instead of earning 6 Bitcoin when you mine a block, or when you receive some Bitcoin, I don't do any mining, but that's going to change very drastically. So if you take a look here, 74 days roughly, this is an estimate. So in April 2024, the block reward will be reducted from 6.25 Bitcoin per block to 3.125. So every 4 years, the remaining supply of Bitcoin gets exponentially scarce. That's part of the halving. That's part of what really drives the price of Bitcoin ultimately, right? So you have like videos about it. I recommend checking it out. You guys can check it out on CoinMarketCap. Super easy to do. There are other charts, but really I just want to get into my portfolio. So that's that's really it. And the way I allocate it, I shouldn't share this too much, but I have a Model T, so that's my main wallet. It's where I hold a lot of my Cardano assets. I have an NFT wallet. Really, it's the same wallet. The way I track my NFTs is I just estimate what they are worth. I can basically look it up, but it fluctuates a lot. So I just estimate what they're worth in ADA, and that's how I get my value. Mitch Trezor 1, so that's where I keep Bitcoin. So I think it's important that if you guys can, I did a video on this. Let me pull that up as well. So if you do subscribe, if you are on the channel, you could type in, I think it's something with hardware wallet. Let me look it up. So if you guys go to these videos, you can learn about, like this, for example, this video is really good. The best crypto hardware wallets. If you don't know which one to get, watch that video. But I did another recent one. This one. I think it's this one. How to protect your crypto assets. Ultimate tutorial. In this video, I share with you my reasons why it's important to have multiple hardware wallets if you can afford it. But I make a 5-tier system. So depending on how much money you have in crypto and your experience, I teach you in that video how you should distribute your funds and how to best protect your assets. So that is my holdings. Guys, comment down below if I'm missing something. If I'm too heavy in something, let me know. That's just the way it is right now. The moose is loose, and that's kind of where we're at. So guys, right now, if you are interested, you can go to JPEG Store, go to my link tree, and click on ADA plates. We are currently minting. The public mint is open. We have tons of plates to mint still. For those of you that minted a crypto moose, if you were a loose moose holder, you would have minted one for free. Guys, they're only 9 ADA. This is what they look like. I think they look awesome. This is a partnership with APF. So guys, mint an ADA plate. Some of these are just looking awesome. I personally, there's one that's being minted now. There's the gold. There's only one gold that's been minted. There's 10. But if you get the golden ADA plate, this one, you can earn, well, you get to claim the ADA plates prize wallet. So that is this one. So you get everything in this wallet. You get a Diamond Hands NFT, a Bubble Jet, 500 Kopi. You get a land plot. You get an OG ring. You get a loose moose. You get everything you need to really kickstart the year. So guys, check that out in this link tree. Also, if you are a fan of the show, pick up a loose moose. The floor is 14 now. These were really cheap when they came out. So these are going to do well. All the projects I'm involved with, they're going to do well because I'm going to promote them. I'm going to curate these projects. Believe me, everything that comes with this channel, it's going to work out. This is not a Logan Paul thing. We're not going to sell you something and we're going to abandon the project and focus on Prime Energy. We are going to focus on the loose moose. We're going to focus on the ADA plates. We are going to give you whitelists for future projects. We're going to hook you up. But right now, the loose moose, that's where you get a bit of utility. So the royalties I'm putting towards that. So if you have one loose moose, you're automatically eligible for the chance to win airdrops, which is cool. That's about it. So guys, comment down below if you agree with those picks or not. We have other videos coming in this week. So I already did a 100x crypto picks video. That's a beauty of an episode. I'm doing a Bitcoin 350K video. I'm going to explain what I mean by that. I'm doing a Cardano $10 price prediction video. And we're going to be doing another Kopi video. So with that being said, pick up a hardware wallet. We do have links, so use those as well. We'll see you in the next one.